If you own a business, it's very important that you are familiar with the new FinCEN BOI registration. So, what is FinCEN? It stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, and their whole mission is to attempt to stop the misuse of funds, whether it is by criminals directly or indirectly funneling funds to criminal organizations. So, the whole purpose is that legitimate businesses fill out this registration form. BOI stands for Beneficial Ownership Information. It's supposed to be a way for the US government to have some kind of inkling as to who owns what related to all the companies that are based in the United States. It is a requirement to have it filled out this year. So if you have not filled it out yet, please don't wait until the last minute. If you're like me, you might have been putting it off because I figure, oh, great, another government form. It's probably going to take hours to figure it out. But actually, it's not so bad. It's fairly straightforward. I have instructions down below. If you look in the description, you'll have a link to some step-by-step instructions. Super easy. One bit of advice before you start on this little trek is that you'll want to make sure that you are ready to either through a screenshot or saving by a PDF, make sure when you get to the end of the process and they show you that it's been completed and that you have been given an identifying number, make sure you save that. Because if you don't in that moment, it is really hard to find it again. So if you have not yet filed your BOI report, please make sure that you click on the link below to get the instructions.